Now we are going to do adjective. We have learned an adjective is a describing word. Okay? Now, an adjective is a word that is used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Okay? It can describe a noun or a pronoun. And then we have, after that, we go into different parts of adjective. There are 6 main types of adjectives. We have adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, distributive adjective, demonstrative, and interrogative adjective. So we have totally 6 compartments to go through. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes either a noun or a pronoun. Okay? As we go through, you will understand better. And each of the compartments we will do with exercises. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. An adjective is a word. An adjective is a word that is used. That is used to describe a noun or a pronoun. A noun or a pronoun. An adjective is a word that is used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Okay? And the examples, I need to give you some examples like examples. Tommy is a clever boy, or Tom is a clever boy. Tom is a clever boy. We have, she is beautiful. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. Anne is an intelligent girl. Anne is an intelligent girl. Intelligent girl. Then we have, the young man carried a big box. The young man, the young man carried a big box. Big box. She is poor but happy. She is poor but happy. let's look at all this. We are talking about adjective. An adjective is a word that describes, that is used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Now, what are the nouns here? Tom, Anne, we have nouns, we have pronouns, she, and she again here. Okay, now, a noun, adjective describes a pronoun or noun. Okay, now, noun, Tom. What is the description? What does it say? It says, Tom is a clever boy. She, what is she? She's beautiful. Anne is an intelligent girl. Now, what about the young man? The young man carried big box. What about she? What is she? She is poor, but she is happy. So the words clever, beautiful, intelligent, young, big and happy, they all say something more. They describe the noun and the pronoun in these sentences. So we know more. If you say Tom is a boy, yes, Tom is a boy. Tom is a noun. What are they telling? What are they telling more about? Yeah, he's a very clever boy. It is telling more. It is used to describe. So we are describing Tom. Tom is clever, she is beautiful, and is intelligent. Young man. The man is not old. Young man carried what? Carried a box, a big box. Then she's poor but happy. So all the words clever, beautiful, intelligent, young, big, happy, all these are adjectives. And each of those words describe either a noun or a pronoun. Then, as I said, we have about 6 parts. So the next we are going to see the 6 parts of the adjectives. What are they? They are adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, how much? Quantity, adjectives of number, distributive adjective, demonstrative adjective, and interrogative adjective. So we have 6 different types of adjectives. Okay, we have 6 types. So I will write what are those 6 different types. 6 types of adjectives. Let's look at the 6 different types of adjectives. 1, we have adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality. What kind? Qualifying. Next we have adjectives. How much? Quantity. Adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity. And next we have third one, we have adjectives of number, telling how many pencils she took away, how many boxes he brought in. So adjectives of number. Adjectives of number. Then we have adjectives of, then we have distributive, demonstrative, interrogative. So we have, next we have is distributive adjective. Distributive adjectives. Then we have, fifth one is, we have demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives. And finally we have the sixth one, interrogative adjectives. interrogative adjectives. So we have 6 different parts in 6 types. It's very important to remember. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word used to describe a noun or a pronoun, and we have seen that. And the word that say more about the noun, more about the pronoun, like clever, beautiful, intelligent, young, big, happy. Now that is adjective. But now in adjective, we have 6 different types. 6 types of adjective. Adjectives of quality. What kind of a person? Good or bad? Adjectives of quantity, number. How many bananas he ate? Adjectives of quantity. Then number, exactly. She brought in 6 boxes. Then we have distributive adjective, demonstration, demonstrative adjective, and question. We have interrogative adjective. Next, we are going to do each of this in detail.